Hello, welcome to Carter and Haynes, another video, another BMW for you. This is a BMW 318 diesel M Sport Shadow Edition. It is a 2017-17 with 19-inch alloys and the M Sport brake kit. This car is also fitted with a gloss black kit, as you can see. Black kidney grills, gloss black front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser and rear spoiler. Really does look a very nice car indeed, this one. It also has carbon effect wing mirrors that can be changed to gloss black if required. The alloys have just been refurbished, and inside we have the oyster leather, great colour combination with the black. We have the Harman Kardon Stereo, sat nav, parking distance control, heated seats. Exceptional, these cars really are. They have fantastic MPG as well. It's on the double opening on the key there. Also has auto boot. There you go. We offer finance, we take part exchanges. If you visit our website www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or call us on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.